Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel PTE Test Prep. Today I am going to explain one of the most interesting and useful English grammar passages that many students find tricky, but don't worry, I will make it super simple and easy to understand. So stay with me till the end and I promise you will never forget these rules again. Let's start our paragraphs. Tokyo Skytree. TeamLab's digital mural at the entrance to Tokyo Skytree, one of the world's monster skyscrapers, is 40 meters long and immensely detailed. Dash massive this form of digital art becomes, and its form dash rampant inflation. Inoko's theories about seeing are based on more modest and often pre-digital sources. So here answer should be however. However here means no matter how or even though. If however comes at the beginning of the sentence, it means but. If however is used with an adjective or adverb like however big, however hard, however massive, it means no matter how. So the sentence is dash massive this form of digital art becomes, and at the end of the sentence there is often pre-digital sources. Though so we can say there is a contrast in this sentence. The sentence is this shows contrast between how big digital art is and how simple Inoko's ideas are or traditional ideas are because there is a pre-digital sources. So however, fits perfectly because it connects two opposite ideas. What is the grammar tip here? When you see contrast or opposite meaning in two ideas, then we will use however. Example, however hard he works, he never complains. So final answer should be however. Come on the second blank. Here answer should be subjective. What's the meaning of subjective? It means depends on, can change because of something. The sentence is and its a form subject to rampant inflation means this form of art faces or experiences inflation. Its cost keeps increasing. What is the grammar tip here? Use subject to when something is controlled or affected by another thing. For example, the trip is subject to weather conditions. It means if the weather is bad, the trip can be cancelled. It depends on the weather. So the final answer should be subject to. So come on the third blank. We will see here are three options. So we will use here the correct answer should be in common. In common means having something similar or shared. The sentence is he recognized when he started to look at traditional Japanese art that all those forms had something in common. Means all those art forms shared some similarities, the way they captured space. So what is the grammar tip here? Use in common when talking about similar qualities or shared features. For example, we both have a lot in common. So the final answer should be in common. So the first answer should be here along with. What's the meaning of along with? It means together with. So the sentence says photographic lenses along with the conventions of Western art means both lenses and Western art styles were used together. What is the grammar tip here? Use along with when two or more things or people are included together in an action or ideas. Example, she came along with her brother. So final answer should be here along with. Now think about the last answer. What should be there? Just pause video and then you will select what should be here and comment if you are right or not. I will tell you. So now I will tell you that here the answer should be but. But is a contrast connector. The sentence says but Japanese traditions employed a different spatial logic, and this shows opposite idea to the previous line about Western art. Western art followed one logic, but Japanese art followed a different one. So, what is the grammar tip here? Use but to show opposite or contrasting ideas in two parts of a sentence. Example, I like coffee, but she prefers tea. So the final answer should be here, but. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos for more tips. Thank you so much and like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.